welcome back to my channel. So this is the next continuation of the electric field intensity topic. So now we'll see field intensity due to a single charge. If one single charge is given, the points are given, how the field intensity is there, we will derive an expression for this. Alright, so here we'll consider let Q is the charge. Okay, let Q is charge. Okay, it is placed at an origin O. So the points are 0, 0, 0. And you have to find the intensity, electric field intensity at point. Suppose P point is x1, y1 and z1. Okay. Now consider let R denote the line segment from origin to P. That means the distance. Okay. From origin O to P. Okay, so we know R can be written as, from this point you can write it as x1 u of x plus y1 u of y plus z1 uz. Like we did for the Coulomb's law, how we took the R values, similarly you took this. We have to take this. Alright, after this we know, if we'll draw in a graphical form. So if we take the x, y, z axis, I'm just drawing this roughly. Okay. Okay. So this is z, this is x, this is y. Alright. So now we are telling origin. Okay. 0 he gave, 0, 0, 0 we considered. And there is point P somewhere over here. P is x1, y1 and z1. Alright. So now the distance is O to P is, we consider it as R, right? So that is R. Okay. Now, so yeah, after there's a point charge over here Q. Okay, this is how what we are deriving now. Okay, now see the magnitude of R. Magnitude, if anywhere, if you want to find the magnitude, is square root of this one. Okay, in problems also we have done this. So this is nothing but x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square. So here UR is the unit vector. Is a unit vector. Next, along OP. Okay. So a unit vector is nothing but UR is written as R by modulus of R, right? So this we have already seen. It is just like Coulomb's law. Okay, we have done over there. So here R value we already know this. Just substituting that over here. So this will become R divided by modulus of R is nothing but this one, magnitude of R. So that is x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square. Okay, so this is U of R, that is the unit vector. I think this is clear. Next is from the definition, by definition. Okay, by definition of field intensity, P is given as the point P x1 y1 is no, that can be written as E of R Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square into UR. This is what we have found. This is the electric field intensity formula. Okay, now we are substituting the R values, UR values, what we got, we are substituting over here in this equation. Okay, so that becomes Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. R is x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square, right? So into UR we already got that, R divided by root of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square. So these derivations if you do along with me, it will be easy. Okay, just to show you again what we have done over here. So this is the UR value what we got, R by x1 square y1 square z1 square, and this is the R values we got. So that is what we substituted in this equation. Okay, R square and square. Okay, so from this ER value will become Q into R divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So this square is nothing but 1 by 2, right? This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus this is 1. So 1 plus 1 by 2 will be 3 by 2. Just for people who don't understand, I'm just writing little bit clearly. X1 square plus Y1 square plus Z1 square into 3 by 2. This one. Okay, if you solve this, you'll get this. So this is what is the electric field intensity when a points are given from the origin O to P. So units are newtons and coulombs. Okay, so this is how you will solve this kind of questions. Okay, if you want still to find the unit vectors and all, also we can solve in this. Okay, we already know R value, right? We have R is x1, what we have considered is x1 ux, y1 uy plus z1 uz. Okay, from this unit vector ur is r by modulus r. Again I am rewriting. So this will be u of x plus y1 uy plus z1 uz divided by square root of this one, x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square. Alright, so you can also write ur is equal to, separating this, x1 divided by root of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square into ux plus y1. I am just separating this, okay? y1 by square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square into uy plus z1 divided by root of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square into uz. Okay, putting this ur value in the complete er value, so that becomes er is equal to er is q by 4 pi epsilon naught x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square, right, into this whole unit vector is this one, so into this whole term. Okay, I'm writing one more time, x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square into ux plus y1 divided by this whole term, just rewriting it, and y1 square plus z1 square into uy plus z1 divided by root of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square into uz. So this is complete er value with the unit vector expanded form. Okay, this is how you will derive the electric field intensity when it is from origin to some point P. Okay, this is the complete derivation of the electric field intensity. If at any point in this video you people did not understand, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help you out. Okay, I think this is clear. Thank you.